What's it like on a short break ski chalet holiday with Skiweekends? Let's find out. Hi guys, hope you're well. A long time no see. Today we are going to be talking about Skiweekends. Let's get into it. So I took a break with Skiweekends in March 2023. So first things first, Skiweekends are one of the UK's largest providers of short break ski holidays from the UK to the Alps. And as part of their accommodation portfolio, they have a selection of catered chalets in Avoriaz, Courchevel, Leger and Morzine in France. And as a group, there was 3 of us who went on this particular trip. We wanted somewhere that had a decent sized ski area, so we chose Courchevel. Now, with Skiweekend, you can book a chalet as a whole, or you can select specific rooms. They have twin rooms, double rooms, triple rooms, so some quadruple rooms. So it really serves for everyone, whether you're going alone, whether you're going with friends or family, or going in a group. They have 2 chalets in Courchevel, which are situated next to each other. They are Chalet Mouria, which is where we stayed, and Chalet Monique. As the beds fill up, typically what happens is Skiweekends will release certain deals at certain times of the year. In this particular period, they were doing 3 nights for £300. Oh, yeah. And that includes catered chalet accommodation and return airport transfers from Geneva, which is pretty good value, really. So anyway, back to the chalet. So we landed in Geneva and journeyed out to Courchevel, where we dropped our luggage off at the chalet, picked up the ski hire, and essentially then went skiing. We've made it to Courchevel, checked into the chalet, which is lovely, and now just got off the Oriandaz gondola, which you can pay basically €11. It's quite a long gondola. Ski right to the top. So if you get here late, you can just do a couple of runs, get your legs in. So, what can I tell you about the chalet itself? Well, the main lounge and dining area were refurbed at the beginning of the season when we went. So actually the lounge was incredibly comfortable, spacious. It was a lovely place to be. The rooms are pretty basic, to be honest, but we had a triple room which served its purpose and did brilliantly for us. Essentially, we were only in there sort of in the late evenings and early in the morning before breakfast, and we spent most of our time on the slopes or in the bars. Now, with any catered chalet holiday, what makes or breaks it are the chalet host and the food. And the chalet hosts were actually great, very attentive, very knowledgeable. If we had any questions or queries, they would help us out, which was good. And the food, I've got to say, was very good as well. Everything from, roast pepper soup for starters, through to beef bourguignon, bœuf bourguignon. Through to a range of other dishes. The only downside with Skiweekends is there is 1 night off. Because their changeovers are not every week and they do short breaks, so it's twice a week, the chalet hosts get 2 days off, and one of those days typically will fall on your short break. So whilst it's a 3-night holiday, one of the nights you will not be served dinner in the chalet, but you'll go into town and yourself to whatever food you wish, whether that is a fondue or hot rocks, or as we did, we just went to get burger and chips. Chalet location is actually a stone's throw from the bars, shops and restaurants of Courchevel Moriant. It literally is across the road to the Funky Fox bar. In terms of walking from the chalet to the gondola in your ski boots and with your skis and all your equipment, that's about a 5-minute walk, not far at all. And then in terms of getting back, say you wanted to have a few drinks at the Folie Douce in Courchevel Maribel. Typically it is 2 or 3 lifts back to get yourself all the way back to Courchevel 1650. If you didn't want to ski all the way back, you can get 1 lift up and over to Courchevel 1850, ski down and get a bus back from 1850 to 1650. So that's another easy option for you if you find yourself over in the Maribel Valley. And I must say, I'd stay in that chalet and I'd stay with Skiweekends again. So from my point of view, the review is 5 stars. So if you're looking for a short break ski trip, whether it's a hotel or whether it's a catered chalet, definitely give them a look up. Managed to get the first lift out this morning, up and out, and the piste is amazing. Check that out. Got the piste all to myself currently. Nobody around. Blue sky. Come ski with me for a minute. Let's do this. Oh, stop it. Behave. This is what we ski for. Wow.